beautiful day here. Time to go for a cruise. Today it's a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Gorgeous frame-off restoration on this one. 396 big block under the hood. Muncie 4-speed manual. Beautiful LeMans blue with the white interior. Really knockout. Nice bucket seats with the center console here. Feeling great. Nice fresh steering wheel. Seats are nice and comfy. This one has air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Let's see, this exhaust is awesome. Listen. So the underside's all redone, all shocks, suspension, everything like that. It's a great car. Again, frame off restoration. All the components are like new underneath. And yeah, let's see what she's got right now. And just like that, up to highway speeds, no problem. And that is a great sounding exhaust system. I'm not sure what the make is on it, but I sure like the way it sounds. That is aggressive. Love it. All the gauges are working up here, seem to be. Nice little tack with all the factory gauges around there. You know what, I don't think on the factory gauges the temperature isn't working, but we do have the triple gauge down here, so that's probably why they added that. Looks like everything else is working. Oil pressure, speedometer, everything like that. One more time with the exhaust. Too much fun, I tell you. Our shop went over this car top to bottom, and there was a couple things that they did to it. I know we replaced the AC compressor. We replaced or repaired the switch for the backup lights. There was a couple other things that we did with it too. You can definitely go online and see all the specifics of what we did if you're interested in that. But yeah, pretty much dialed in now, ready to go. Real nice driving car, great sounding car, great looks on it. Come down, check it out yourself. Test drive it if you'd like to. You can put it up on a rack in our shop. Whatever the case is, spend as much time with it as you'd like. We welcome you with open arms here, and we're totally transparent. So if you'd like to come down to Volo, Illinois and give us a visit, by all means, you're always welcome. If you do want to test drive the car though, just contact our sales department first, and they'll be more than happy to help you with that. So, but as I see it, it's a great car. Great driver here. Someone's gonna love it. Check out all the details on volocars.com.